To change profile picture on Microsoft 365 is quite easy and simple. Even if you're using the Microsoft 365 Outlook or Word or PowerPoint or maybe other tools, it is quite simple. Actually, you need to change the profile picture on Microsoft account and it will be reflected on all accounts. So go to any browser, search for Microsoft, click on Microsoft.com, open up the main page and make sure that you have your account logged in. And once you're here, just go and click on this and go to my Microsoft account. And once you are here, you can see on the left you have an option of your info. Click on that. And once that is open, here you can see change photo. So click on this. Click on maybe remove photo if you want to remove, or maybe if you want to add a new photo, click on add photo. Go to any image, for example this one, click on open. You can zoom out, rotate, totally up to you. Click on save and close. So now across all the uh, devices and across all the profiles of Office 365 and all other things, your profile photo will be changed. So hope by doing so you'll be able to change the profile picture on Microsoft 365. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.